Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Lincoln MKT. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. The Lincoln MKT is engineered for extraordinary moments. The MKT offers best-in-class horsepower and a V8 power with V6 fuel economy. Pair that with MKT's standard 6 airbags and Advanced Track with class-exclusive roll stability control, and you've got the total package. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.